Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your region on your PlayStation account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in playstation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the PlayStation website where you will directly be asked to choose your region. Now from the list of available regions, go ahead and click on your respective region and you will be taken into the particular web page for this region. In order to proceed with signing into your account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and this will open up the login portal. Just type in your email address and your password within the given box and proceed forward with logging into your account. Once you have been logged into your account, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on account settings. Now from the account settings page, you will see your profile information. Click on the edit button alongside residential address and you will be able to change your region manually. Just type in your entire address if you wish, and within the city, state or province, as well as the country and region section, go ahead and choose your country as well as region and enter your state as well as city. You can then finally click on the save button and your region will be updated on your PlayStation account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your region on PlayStation account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.